Next question is question number 4. Find the unknown angles specified below in each of the following figures. These all are figures or shapes given to you. These all are quadrilateral. In this all the angles are given in degree and one angle is given you in the form of x. So you have to apply in all these shapes, you have to apply angle sum property. By angle sum property, then only you can identify, you can take out the value of x. Okay, A part is, in A part you have to apply in this way, write in this way, sum of all the interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so how you can apply this? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. 96 degree plus 68 degree plus 96 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, you can mention the naming in this way, A, B, C, D. In this way you can mention the naming and then you can write the answers. Okay, so this is your A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So you can put the values in this way, A, B, C, D. Okay, you can add these all angles, all these angles added, and then plus x is equal to 360 degree. X will be here and this angle will go that side, it is equal to 100 degree. Okay, similarly in the B part, this is the shape of B part. This is shape of B part. Sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Again angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, it is equal to 360 degree. So angle A, this is angle A. You have to mention the naming by on. Okay, whether you can add the naming in this way, A, B, C, D, or in this way A, B, C, D. Okay, so I have mentioned in this way. This is your angle A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Whatever the values are given in the shape, just put the values in the same manner. Okay, so add all the constant values. Okay, and this value is of x, so this will be, you have to write this will separately, 17x, and add all the other values. This value will go that side, it will be subtract from this 360 degree. 17x is equal to 102 and 17 will go in the division, so x is equal to 6 degree. Okay, but this is not a angle A. In the angle A you have to write in this way, 17 multiplied by value of x plus 8, then you will take out the answer of angle A. So now angle A is equal to 110 degree. Similarly, there is a C part. Again a shape is given. It is a shape. Okay, here two angles are given in the form of x and these two are given in the form of proper degree. Okay, so here I have mentioned in this way, you can mention in this way, angle, this is angle A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now apply the angle sum property. Sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Angle A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree. Angle A is this, B is this, C is this, D is this. Okay, open all the brackets and then add the values of x, okay, and the constant value separately. Then you can take out the constant value to this side, okay, and the value which is with x, that will remain in the left hand side. Now next step is subtract the right hand side value, okay, and then just wait, subtract the right hand side value, and left hand side 25 is there, that will go in the division. So now this is the value of x, but this is not an angle A. For the angle A you have to put this x value in this statement, okay, 14 multiplied by 8 minus 7, and take out the answer of angle A. Similarly for angle B, 11x minus 2, so 11 multiplied by 8 minus 2, and take out the answer of angle B. So in this way you have to take out the values of angle AB. Okay, so in this way you can apply the property of angle sum property, and then you can take out, if you have to take out only one angle, then also you can take out. If you have to take out two angles, then also you can take out 2, 3, 4, whatever angles are, you have to take out. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Now we have covered today up to 4 questions, 1 to 4, and with some basic concept. Please read out all the definitions, all the categories very carefully. Do all the questions properly, first of all in the practice notebook, and then go for the fair work. Okay, another questions, question number 5th to 10th, these are based upon formulas that we have discussed. 3 formulas we have discussed that will do in these questions. Okay, in the next class. Bye bye and take care.